again, this is Janice, your real estate gal. Remember Frank? His escrow is well underway, but his job is not done because he needs to think about a good life insurance to to protect his home. Here's Neil. Neil Estrada is a home insurance broker with an office based in Cerritos. Let's talk to him and find out what the importance is of insurance in a home buying process.
Thanks for having me. And you know what? This is all about educating our home buyers on the role of an insurance guy in a transaction for home buying.
Yeah, absolutely. Right now, real estate's really hot. We have people who are buying homes, who are refinancing. A lot of times, too, in a refinance, they're trying to get their debt-to-income ratio really low. So there's different ways to do that. But now, specifically, since we do have a lot of home buyers that are there, it is important to actually get the proper type of homeowner's insurance for your house.
Well, what do you mean by proper? I mean, a lot of people just wants to pay the least possible amount.
Well, here's the thing, right? I'm going to guarantee that probably 9% of those people who are buying a house, this is probably their biggest investment, shall you say. So why would you want to put something super inexpensive on there that might not cover your most expensive investment?
What type of problems have you seen so far with these home buyers trying to get the cheapest possible insurance that they can find?
Well, when they do that, once again, like the dwelling's not enough, okay? Or let's just say they want to lower their insurance policy by taking a higher deductible, but they forget that they've taken a higher deductible. So here's what I mean, and for those of you who don't have this knowledge, here's what it is. A deductible is basically what you would have to pay out if you were to file a claim. So let's just say, for example, someone left the stove on and you burnt down part of your kitchen and there's $15,000 worth of damage, but you have a $5,000 deductible. Well, obviously, we will pay out the difference, the $10,000. Whereas, like, if you would have took a $1,000 deductible and maybe a slightly higher premium, well, that's $4,000 less out of your pocket.
Wow. Well, here's a very basic question that this is for myself and for everybody here. How do you determine the amount of coverage?
Okay, so awesome question. It's called an ERC, or an estimated replacement cost tool. So what I would do, let's say me and you were talking, I'd ask you things about the house. Some of it I can find online, especially if it's listed in MLS or it's a home that's being sold currently. But I would still ask you things about the interior that I might not be able to see online. Like, for example, do you have sprinklers in your ceiling, right? Or, by the way, do you have a laundry tub? Sometimes that's not actually photographed in the home, right? So tell me what your floors look like. Is it carpet? Is it tile? Is it wood? And by the way, percentage-wise, how much is carpet? How much is tile? How much is wood? Your cabinets and countertops, right? Would you say they're custom? Would you say they're premium? Would you say they're standard? Well, it could be different, right? Because some people might have a tile countertop, but some people might have granite.
So it's all about what is the upgrades per se on a property too, right?
Yeah, it's all about that. But you'll be happy to know that a lot of insurance carriers, including our own, actually give you a buffer, okay? So for example, ours, which I'm not even going to name my insurance company, but we give you 20% over and above what your replacement costs are. So say for example, we speak, I do my research online, and then together we formulate on the $800,000 property that you're buying that it's $400,000 coverage, all right? We would give you an extra 20%, which would be $80,000. So actually you covered for $480,000. And if I may continue, you might say, well, I just bought a property for $800,000. Why would you only cover me for $400,000? Well, you got to remember, we're insuring the structure. And in real estate, because you are in real estate, it's all about location, location, location.
Absolutely.
So that same structure that could be, and I'll use my hometown Cerritos, right? If that was on the shores of Newport Beach, it might cost the same to rebuild the home, but in actuality, the value of the home is a lot higher because you're in a more desirable area.
Well, there you go. If you need somebody to talk to regarding home insurance, I have here with me Neil Estrada. Neil, would you like to tell our viewers how they can reach you?
So if you have any questions in regards to homeowners insurance, then you could just deal with Neil by going to www.neilestrada.com, and that's NEILESTRADA. And thank you so much, Spotlight, for having me on your show today.
So now you know how important it is to choose the right home insurance for your home. Tune in next week as we talk to an appraiser to talk about how they evaluate a property.
I saw how my brother-in-law, how his lifestyle fit into running a business of his own versus working a 9-to-5 job.
The advantage of having a franchise is that you don't have to start from scratch.
Like, it gives you a preview of how things will be.
It takes years to build a strong brand. It's really a shortcut to success.
It's been an amazing learning journey.
With one heart, we found a safe place.
This is Rose Pascual, Associate Broker at Regal Realtors. Today's featured listing is a triplex in the city of Inglewood. The front unit is a duplex. It has 1 bedroom and 1 bath and is fully renovated. The rear unit is a detached single family, has 2 bedroom and 1 bath, has a spacious living room and a separate dining room. Each unit has its own laundry room and detached garage. Just minutes away to LAX, the famous Forum, and the newly built SoFi Stadium and Entertainment Complex. Plus, it's conveniently located near the 405, the 105, and the 110 freeway. For more information, contact Regal Realtors. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Heidelina Gojo de Dios. I'm a realtor. At the same time, I'm a commercial real estate agent as well. We have 2 beautiful homes in the city of Menifee, licensed for 6 patients. Currently, they have 5 patients each in these 2 homes, and they're always full census because they are surrounded with senior community, no need to market, and they have excellent survey as well. So, if you're thinking of leasing, owning, renting, and buying and selling homes like boarding care and looking for nursing homes and assisted living, that's my specialty. So call me if you have any question. My phone number is area code 909-331-6921.
If you're a realtor or seller and you'd like your home to be featured here on our show, please give us a call at 1-833-33-REGAL or email us at info@regal.realestate.